There are luxury cars, and then there is the Maybach. For 2026, the Mercedes-Maybach S580 continues to define what it means to travel at the absolute top of the food chain. This isn't just an S-Class with a longer wheelbase. It is a meticulously crafted masterpiece designed for those who find the standard Mercedes flagship a bit too common. Today, we're stepping into a world of silver champagne flutes, hand-stitched leather, and silent V8 power to see why the Maybach remains the preferred choice for royalty and CEOs alike. The presence of the Maybach S580 is undeniable. For 2026, the iconic dual-tone paintwork has been refined with even more depth and luster, separated by a hand-painted pinstripe. The front features the unique Maybach grille with vertical chrome pinstripes and the Maybach lettering proudly embossed on the chrome frame. Look at these wheels. The 21-inch forged monoblock designs are a tribute to classic luxury, providing a solid, grounded look. With the Maybach logo illuminated on the C-pillar and the massive increase in length over the standard S-Class, this car doesn't just arrive. It makes an entrance. The interior of the S580 is where the Maybach name truly earns its prestige. While the driver gets the latest MBUX hyperscreen, the real owner's seat is in the back. The executive rear seat package transforms the back into a private jet cabin. You have twin reclining seats with massage functions that even extend to your calves. There's a refrigerated compartment between the seats, complete with custom silver-plated champagne flutes. Every surface is covered in the finest Napa leather, and the 4D surround sound system from Burmester uses exciters in the seats to let you feel the music. With active road noise compensation, this cabin is perhaps the quietest place on Earth. Powering this land yacht is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. It produces a silk-smooth 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-ft of torque, but in a Maybach, performance isn't about raw speed. It's about effortlessness. The Maybach drive mode softens the throttle response and starts the car in second gear to ensure the passengers never feel a single jolt. Paired with the e-active body control suspension, the car literally leans into corners like a skier and scans the road ahead to erase bumps before you ever feel them. It's like riding on a high-speed cloud. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S580 remains the gold standard. It is a car that values time, privacy, and absolute comfort above all else. In a world of flashy supercars, the Maybach stands apart as a symbol of quiet, overwhelming success, but I want to hear from you. If you had the choice, would you take this Maybach, or would you go for a Rolls-Royce Ghost? And is the dual-tone paint a must-have, or is it too flashy? Let me know in the comments below.